Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to start with the basics of Python. So before that, let's open the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so first go to the folder in which you want to open it, copy the path, then go to the search bar and type Anaconda. Okay, then copy the path and type Jupyter notebook. Then create a new file. Okay, so let's name it as intro slash underscore python. Okay, so let's begin. So what is a programming language? So a programming language is nothing but a language used to communicate with the machines. Okay, so in terms of Python, it is a popular programming language, as you know, and it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So what are its uses? Okay, so it is used for web development, it is used for software development, then it works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux and Raspberry Pi. It has simple syntax similar to English language. So what is syntax here? So in case of English language, there are some rules when you write the English language, that is known as grammatical rules, right? So in terms of a programming language, we use some rules to write a code known as syntax. Okay, so it is used to connect the database. Then in machine learning, it is a dynamically typed language. That means we need not specify the data types. Okay, so for example, if we go on the Jupyter notebook, suppose if we give a is equal to 10, what does it give? It gives int. Now suppose if we give a is equal to and it is string, so we need not specify the data types what we are giving here. So that is why it is known as dynamically typed language. Okay, so in terms of compiled and interpreter, Python is an interpreted language. So let's understand the difference between a compiler and the interpreter. Okay, so in case of compiler, it scans the whole program in one go, and interpreter, it translates the program, that is one statement at a time. So if you are written a 3 or 4 to 5 blocks of code, every single line of the block, it is executed line by line in case of interpreter, but in case of compiler, the whole block gets executed at the end. Okay, so as it scans the code in one go, the errors are shown at the end. Okay, in case of compiler, but in case of interpreter, it is shown line by line. It is more efficient and it is less efficient. CPU utilization is more in terms of compiler, and here it is less. Then in case of compiler, it does not require source code for later execution, and here it requires. So some of the programming language which are compiled, there are C++. Okay, and in case of interpreted language, there is Python, Ruby, Perl, Snowball, MATLAB, etc. Okay, so this is the basic intro of the Python. Okay, so we'll be starting with variables, then decision making statements, that is if, else if, then loops, then functions, then NumPy, pandas and some other libraries of Python. So stay tuned for the upcoming classes. So before that, before going ahead, let's at least write the print statement. So print we'll be covering many topics, but before going, let's understand the print statement. So print welcome to Data Tech. This is how it prints. Okay, so if you want to print anything, you can type print, and in circular brackets you can type the message what you want to type. Okay, so I will try to cover the other topics also, like OOPS classes, etc., when I complete the syllabus for the data science of Python, like whatever is required for data science. So after that I will try to cover it. So till then, take care, bye bye.